Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mrs. Sobia Sohail is here. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hopefully doing well. So I will try to explain the next questions in this exercise as I have explained the previous question number 1 in my previous part. So question number 2 I will start here. And now this time hopefully if I will go with a little bit more speed, you people will understand well. Okay. If you have checked the previous part for question number 1. So again, we will always factorization question. We have to check our rules. First rule, taking common. No common possible. Okay. So common, not possible. Common, not possible. Number of terms are odd. So not possible. So completing square method. Square method. This number is a whole square. This number is also a whole square. But if I will multiply it with 2, so 2 6 are, means it's not satisfying with this method. Let's check that the middle term is satisfied. So I can explain you that whether it is satisfying for the middle term, completing square method or not. Okay. Let me take a pencil. Whole square I means that this is the square of x and this is the square of 6. So middle term should be 2 times the first term and the last term 6. Check whether this term is making this term. So it is making 12x and this is 20x. It means this completing square method not applicable on this expression. Okay. So finally we have to go to midterm breaking method. Midterm breaking method. Okay. In the midterm breaking method, what we are doing, we are taking sum and product. What is the sum? The coefficient of the middle term, that is minus 20. What is the product? First and the last term. Coefficient of first term and the last, 36. Positive 36. Now factorize the product term. 1 is a factor of every number. So 1, 36 are 36. Okay. On adding them or on subtracting them, they're not giving this one. Okay. Now, 2 18s are 36. On adding, they're giving 20. Okay. And on multiplying, they're giving 36. But let's put the sign. Which is the sum. If on adding, they're giving this one. So same sign both. On addition, they're giving 20. So it means that same sign with both. Minus and minus. Now check after multiplication. 18 2s are 36. Okay. But minus and minus multiply to give you plus. It means this is the perfect pair which we can take. Okay. Now this question is factorized as x square minus 2x minus 18x plus 36. Let me take out this portion out. Okay. Then from here and here, make pairing and take. Out of these two terms, out of these two terms, x is a common factor. When we take 1x outside, 1 left here. When we divide this by this term, minus 2 left. Okay. Minus 18 and 36. If is 18. If you have studied properly the HCF in junior classes. So hopefully you understand that 18 and 36 have HCF of 18. Okay. So x, yes, this is the minus sign. So I told you if it is minus, so both the term sign will be changed. Okay. This was the negative term. So it will become positive and this is positive. It will change to negative. 18 2s are 36. After factorization, still after factorization, if these two terms are not same, it means you make a mistake in taking the or making the factors. Okay. So check your question again. Now take this as common. From the first term when this is common, this left. From the second term when this is common, minus 18 left. And hence it is completely factorized. Question number 3 of this exercise is pretty easy. Very easy, but written in the alphabets form. That's why giving a little tough time to the student. This is a sum term. So why not just separate them as it is? Minus the bracket ax minus plus minus the bracket b time x plus ab. So one term is splitting up into two terms. Okay. When it is splitting up into two terms, so our purpose of changing the odd terms is fulfilled. Now the number of terms are even. Even means first two terms and the last two terms you can make pairs and take something common. Okay. X is common. First term x left, a left. Second term minus b. X, when outside minus sign, it will change this sign. The central sign will be minus. B is common, a left. Now x minus a and x minus b. Question is completely twice. Like this. Okay. So thank you so much. In the next class, I will explain the next question. Okay. Until then, Allah Hafiz.